everybody. I hope you all are doing well. And it's been almost a month now that we have been coming up with podcasts on various topics. If you have not seen our previous three videos, please check in the description and please have a look on all our previous three videos. So today our topic is how do we deal with mental health? How do we keep our mental health up in this COVID-19 crisis? Miss Meeta Shah, she is a senior clinical psychologist as well as psychotherapist with over more than 29 years of experience. She deals with kids, children's, adults, senior citizens, and so on. She has worked with multiple educational institutes as well as corporate companies. And especially in this crisis situation, she is helping a lot of people over online consultations so that our mental health are absolutely upkept. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Asmita. And thank you, Conversations at Mumbai. पहले तो ये है ना, Asmita, that let us understand what exactly anxiety is. Okay? We feel that कहीं पर जब हम पूछते हैं what is anxiety, तो सब लोग बोलते हैं डर. It is not डर. Okay? Dar is when there is a real grizzly bear attacking you, or a dog literally wanting to bite you and is running after you, and you literally run for safety. Okay? You are very safe in a house. You are very safe in the home.
Correct.
So it's not a life and death situation. The only thing is when you go out, then the concerns start.
Absolutely.
So fear is real. Anxiety is assumed fear.
Correct.
Okay, and these assumptions are more, you can say these assumptions happen more when you either think of the future, or right now you're getting frustrated, that's the restlessness within the body, or you think of the past and feel sad about it.
Correct.
So when you feel depressed, a lot of anxiety when it is not treated, a lot of sadness, which is normal, or concern, which is normal right now. It's so normal. I cannot say, oh, I'm happy, I'm at home. No, it is a concern. I cannot be unreal. So the best chapter to start with is to be real
Correct.
and to go inside when you are authentic. And when you go inside and you realize that your heartbeat is going fast, your breathing is not balanced, or not keeping momentum. So you start only doing with the breathing. Just start noticing that when I breathe in, my stomach comes up. Keep one hand on the stomach. When I breathe out, my stomach goes in. बस इतना ही ध्यान करो. So immediately ये जो chatterbox है ना यहाँ पर, it just quietens down, calms down, and you're more inside. Then you realize, अरे, I am better. I am good. My heart has calmed down. My blood pressure has come down. I'm not feeling that anxiety full. I'm here and now. I'm not going in the future. I'm not going in the past. I'm here now. And I accept, that's the main important thing. I accept that the thing outside the Corona, COVID 2019 is not good. So, what do I need to do when I have to go out? So I need to take care. I need to wear whatever gloves, or, cover myself properly, including hair. Just cover everything, go out, buy stuff, come inside, put everything to wash your hands, legs, the keys which you took. Anxiety is more like, as you said, yes, there are many single people. Single people, maybe, beta, there are two things, Asmita. एक तो जो एक्सट्रोवर्ट है, उन लोगों को ज्यादा रेस्टलेसनेस होती है, और उनको भी एक्चुअली जरूरी है कि वो भी थोड़ा काम हो जाए. It's very important for all of us, whether you're extrovert or introvert, we need to calm down. And introverts will be really happy being on their own. So there are these two kind of people, but at the same time, even the extroverts who feel like wanting to connect, there is something missing. They can easily pick up a call or chat like this. There's video calls, there's WhatsApp calls, and WhatsApp videos. I mean, thank God with the technology today, you are not alone, though you feel you are alone.
So we say we have to be positive, think positive, पर
No,
इतना कुछ negative हो रहा है तो
mm,
how do we think positive?
very good question, Asmita. I do not agree that you always have to be positive. No, you have to be reality based.
Correct.
That's what we as psychologists and psychotherapists really look at. That let us be reality based. And in reality, you cannot say, I'm positive because COVID is happening. Oh my God. No, I am concerned. I am concerned, of course. But my concern, how much is it? If I have the regulator of the fan, I always look at the regulator of the fan. How much concerned I am from 0 to 10. So if it is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, yes, you need help. Please call some mental health. But if you are 3, 4, 2, that's fine. It's normal to be that much concerned. Otherwise, you will go out without washing and you'll come in without washing your hands. You will not wear your mask if that much concern is not there. So that concern is important.
Correct.
So your negative feelings or thoughts can become unhealthy. They are unhealthy when they go to an extreme level. And there are a lot of things which lead them to that level. You feel this is a life and death situation which has still not come to you. Touch wood. Yes, there are people who are not taking precautions and who have had this problem. So all the more we need to take precautions. If we look at the scenario like this, you won't feel so anxietyful or panicked. But yes, when you do not take counseling, this anxiety will lead you to depression. First is accept. First is accept the situation outside. Lord, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. So, what is it that you cannot change? That's the world outside you. What's happening outside? Not in the house or in you, but what's happening outside or in other people. I can't change them. I can't change them. The courage to change the things I can. What is it that I can change? I can change the way I think. I can change the way I am more aware of my breathing. I can be more cautious. I can do that. The most important is to know the difference. What I can change, what I cannot change. Otherwise, we are utilizing all our energy trying to change and control what we cannot. For example, I've seen so many frustrated people trying to blame somebody or the other. Why are those people putting spit all over? Why are these people doing that? Well, yes, it is a concern. We prefer them not to do. But when we put these absolute shoulds in our lives, the first person that it disturbs or destroys is ourselves, because it's creating a lot of dysregulation in the body. Like the regulator is on the 10 when you're getting so frustrated. Can you get the regulator on something like 4, 5, where you are concerned? Well, yes, I do agree people should not do this. But at the same time, where it is written that everybody should agree to what you believe. No, it is a preference. It's not an absolute must.
So all these cases are happening a lot. So लोग spit कर रहे हैं on purpose. They are hugging people so that they could spread the virus more and doing all these kind of behavior. तो ये ऐसा क्यों करता है? क्या होता है इनके दिमाग में exactly?
They may have a lot of unhealthy feelings, belief systems, and they want to just punish, they want to take revenge, and they prioritize maybe sometimes a political party or a religion more than their lives. And it's sad that people, that we are using the vulnerability of these people to whoever is doing that, or to achieve whatever your goals are, etc. It's very sad. So what can we do is we can just share के ये सब सही नहीं है. How many people really put up videos on Facebook saying ये गलत है, ऐसा मत सोचिए, ऐसा मत कीजिए.
Hmm.
You know, religions are not above your life. The Lord is any religion, all the religions throughout the world are talking of peace, love, compassion, brotherhood. No religions talk like that. So these are some poisons which have been put in their mind, and they believe this
Correct.
is true.
और अभी सब लोग घर पे है तो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी डू इज मोबाइल पे नेटफ्लिक्स देखो, अमेजोन देखो, गेम्स खेलो लैपटॉप पे और कुछ करो. सो will all these things lead to any kind of addiction to web
Yes,
series, addiction
yes,
to laptop,
absolutely.
maybe addiction to pawns also, क्योंकि और कुछ
Yes,
करने को है
yes,
नहीं, so we are just
yes,
spending our time.
yes, yes, yes. There is a lot of tendency. That's a very nice question. Again, you asked. Thanks, Asmita. जो अकेले रहते हैं ना, जैसे अगर if I say youth in the hostels, या in their own, in their own घर के मतलब a rented place or something, is all by themselves. There's no social activity. कहीं कुछ जा नहीं सकते, आ नहीं सकते. They are constantly on the smartphones.
Correct.
So when they are on the smartphones, they either are on gaming, again violence, or even their lessons are on. I'm sorry, but that's the way now this world is going to be. It's everything is online. So
Online.
they need to even listen to and give exams and write notes, etc. The online to have, but constantly. First thing is could damage your eyes. Second thing, it will damage your mind, and third thing, the restlessness will start beginning. So those who are not able, pornography ke upar usually it is said that those who are really not able to act get into such addictions.
Hmm.
So masturbation by itself, since you have removed this topic, is not a bad thing. It helps you relieve but see to it that it's not leading to anxiety. When you are in anxiety and restlessness, you keep on doing things to get it down in another way. You do it for pleasure, that's different. But you cannot do it to relieve your restlessness or your anxiety. There are two different things. One, you're trying to be pleasurable and you feel good, you're done it. One is you are getting excited and you're doing that to curb your anxiety. That's not healthy. You're becoming more addicted to it. There are two different ways to go about it. This is what I personally feel, and I have helped a lot of students at NMIMS University where I was working as a senior counselor. And many of my students have really, really benefited because it's becoming an obsessive compulsion kind of a behavior. कि थोड़ा भी रेस्टलेस हो रहा है तो चलो इसमें हम लोग ध्यान दे देते हैं ना. हम लोग और कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. हम लोग अपने सांस पे ध्यान दे सकते हैं. हम लोग चलने चले जाते हैं. हम लोग एक ही जगह पे जॉगिंग कर लेते हैं. हम लोग एक ही जगह पे हम लोग स्किपिंग कर लेंगे. These are also physical activities which will deviate.
So I have another funny question. In fact, funny
हाँ
bolo,
हाँ पूछे.
serious bolo.
जी जी.
We are asked to clean our hands very frequently, wash your hands very frequently. और हमारे आजू बाजू भी कोई खांस देता है, छींक देता है, तो हमको डर लगता है कि अरे कोरोना 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 काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो इससे कहीं पे ओसीडी हो जाएगा लोगों को.
Again, it's about concern and anxiety. It's a very thin line. If it is concern, it will not become an OCD. But if it is hyper anxiety, then all these OCD, procrastination, not doing your work on time, leaving it, yes, these are all the symptoms of anxiety. So again, we come back to the same question. कि हाथ धोना, it's a concern. Yes, you have to do it because भगवान ना करे किसी को अगर लग जाए तो at least you are safe. लेकिन अगर if I ask you, let's God forbid कि तुमने नहीं धोए और तुमको कोविड हो भी गया, let us talk about psycho-educating ourselves. तो भी हम वापस इसमें से बाहर निकल सकते हैं. कितने परसेंटेज है? check it up online. Then a lot of percentage people have come out of it also. Very less people have literally gone for it. So yes, we do not want to go there. I mean, I'm not saying we should do it to just experience it. Na na baba. But at the same time, it's not a life and death situation.
So मैम अभी सब लोग घर पे है तो how do we use this home time positively, creatively? क्या करना चाहिए इस टाइम में? How do we utilize this time to the most? If
Very
you
true.
could mention couple of
I will.
things.
I will. We all have families. Sometimes, as the first question that you asked, अगर कोई अकेला रहता है, कोई दूर रहते हैं, how do we, jointly do things which will make us good? So we have a lot of apps, etc. But I would prefer you to actually just 4 or 5 people at least get to your, add calls in the WhatsApp and sing songs. Even you are alone, you can sing with your friend. You can play antakshari with each other. Another thing what you can do is start singing. There are apps which teach you how to sing, classical singing, everything. Start doing which you wanted always to do, but you've never got the time to do it. Painting, drawing, sketching. Do things which you love to do. Even cooking is an activity where the whole family can get together. I have kids, my friends, grandkids, who are chopping the potatoes with blunt knives for the mother to cook. So everybody is doing some activity which is more interesting. तो उनको आटा भी दे देती है मम्मी, जैसे पालक का मिक्सी में घुमा के आटे में डाल के ग्रीन आटा और बीटरूट का रस डाल के रेड आटा उनको दे देती है कि चलो अभी ये ग्रीन पूरी बनाओ, रेड पूरी बनाओ. और वो बेलन लेके ऐसे 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 करते हैं. हाउ ओल्ड दे आर? 3, 4. Amazing. And then what they do, they play restaurant in the house. You must have seen that forward also, where they literally they also saw that forward, and they literally do it in the house. So what's the menu today? Come on, let's go in the kitchen, become the chef. We'll take up the chef role, and then we'll take up the people who are eating in the restaurant. So let's decorate the table, let's put a candlelight. People are enjoying it. People are enjoying it. Oh, today the chef is tired, the mama says, so can we just make khichdi? Okay, mama, now who will make khichdi? Chalo, ye dal chawal nikalo itna. Chalo, kaun dho raha hai? So, activity. So everything can be, yeah. And it's so much fun. Like, you can, again, sing, cook, paint. And there are a lot of games also. When there are people in the house, what can you do? You can play games. Ludo, carom, chess, so many games that we can play. Even the cards, the poker, the rummy, so many games. My God. Then I would rather also people who have senior citizens and they are away. They are very, very important to be taken care. So I especially would want all the children and the married girls, daughters, sons to keep in touch with them, make a group, and constantly have this video call so that they don't feel isolated. They are the people who are at the edge. They know that the stories that also went through is that senior citizens will not be saved, priority will be given to others. Those news have really shaken them. So we need to tell them that nothing will happen, and we need to boost up that energy. So we need to give them food with good zinc and good iron and good vitamins, B12, everything. We need to really give them a lot so that their immunity remains. At that age, the immunity goes down.
Another point which is very much related to what we just discussed right now.
Yeah.
If your parents or maybe elderly people in your family are alone, so what to do we have already discussed. पर बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि आप आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रहे हो या फिर आपके इन-लॉज के साथ रह रहे हो और आपकी उनके साथ नहीं जमती है. तो आप घर के बाहर होते थे तो कम टाइम आप उनके साथ स्पेंड करते थे तो you could adjust. But now you are spending 24/7. You are spending your entire time with them. So the chances of fights, maybe any kind of emotional trauma, this is not only in context with senior citizens, even in terms of husband and wife. तो झगड़े
Yes,
ज्यादा
very nice
होते हैं.
question.
So how do you deal with all these things instead
Very
of
nice
constantly
question. Yeah, yeah,
fighting and getting
yeah,
agitated with each other? How do
yeah,
you have good cordial relationship? How do you take your
yeah.
relationship from level 1 to level 2?
Very good. This is the most important time and a very good time that COVID is giving us to improve on our relations. Basically, what you're trying to say is that when the relationships are not healthy, that's the time the fights happen. Why are the relationships not healthy? Is someone more demanding? Yes. Senior citizens are going to be more rigid and they have high levels of frustration tolerance. They can't tolerate changes. They always want things the way it is always happening. And so they are not going to listen very easily. Okay. Which is not their fault. It is their age and it is the belief system that we are elders, and we are conditioned to believe that मैं ससुर हूँ या मैं सास हूँ तो you better hear me out and all that stuff. लेकिन अगर प्यार से बोलो ना बेटा, if you share your feelings, for example, even if it is my ससुर, I will talk with him, I will उनको थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंस कि पापा पता है ऐसा होता है, पापा पता है कि लोग है ना जो मिलते हैं अच्छे हैं, उनको चीख भी नहीं आ रही, वो कफ भी नहीं है, बट दे कैन बी एसिम्प्टोमेटिक और पता भी नहीं चलता है. And there have been people who are close by who have gone and who were 65 plus and they are asymptomatic and they have been taken and they were having COVID positive. So how do we deal with it? And you know what? After a particular age, some of them may be having some depression also. So they don't even mind dying. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या है, मैं मर जाऊंगा. पापा ठीक है पापा, आपको अगर कुछ होता है, आपको आपको यही चाहिए कि आपको नहीं रहना है, ठीक है, अगर हो जाता है तो पापा हमारा क्या होगा, वोंट वी मिस यू. और पापा व्हाट इफ यू गेट इट बट नथिंग विल हैपन टू यू, बट यू विल पास इट ऑन टू योर grandson or you will pass it on to me or your son or anybody who will get it and who may not be able to survive because it depends on individual. किसी को होता है, किसी को नहीं होता है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? पापा, it's not about who will die and what will happen to you, but the pain afterwards. You would prefer not to have this, no? I love you. So, when you say some things like, I really love you, you share your feelings to them, you explain the plus and the minus to them. Why not? You have to explain to them. You have to be patient with them, very patient, just like how you are patient with your children. And there is nothing that will not, allow them to listen. But what
Correct.
happens is we often take those frequencies when they are disturbed. No, we often take their frequencies in us and we start talking in a very different tone. आपको पता है क्या? आपको नहीं जाना है, आपको मालूम नहीं है. That won't work well. That won't work well. It will like एक बच्चे को भी अगर आप बोल दोगे ना, तेरे को मना किया ना बाहर जाने को, मत जाना है, चलो अंदर जाके सो जाओ. No, they will not do that. The moment you are going to sleep, they will creep out because they are going to be defiant. क्योंकि तुम कैसे बोल सकते हो, एक ईगो इशू हो जाता है. फिर चाहे वो बच्चा हो, वो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग हो, या इवन दोस पीपल हु आर स्पिटिंग ऑन द रोड, ईगो इशू हो गया. हमको कैसे मना करो, जाओ हम तो ज्यादा करेंगे. तो ये ईगो
बराबर
इशू
है.
नहीं है, ये ईगो इशू नहीं है. This is about understanding. So how well you convey the message, it all depends on you. The power is all in you. So you have to change the way you are doing it. You have to modify your style and it will give you a better result. Now, the other question that you asked along with this was the couples who are having fights. Yes, there is a lot of problem with people who have lived with couples who have traumas, who are abusing, physically and mental abusing with these people whom they are with. They could be having some personality disorders also. And they are people who are really going through a lot of trauma. So if that is so, then I would request you that that's a time when you decide that you have a choice. Again, here you are empowered with a choice. You are empowered with a choice. And there are these lawyers who take up these cases and they try to help this person. You have a choice to stay and sustain the way you've been staying all these years, or now is the time when God is giving you the opportunity to make the right choice. Do you still want to continue, or do you have other better choices? हमारे गीता में भी कहते हैं कि जो एग्जीक्यूटर है, the person who's doing a crime is also wrong, but the person जो सहन करता रहता है एक हद के आगे, तो वो भी तो गलत है ना. You have to stand up for yourself. You have to learn to be assertive, because it's not only you, it's also your kids who are suffering.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. I'm happy you asked this question. And there are a lot of couples who never had time to spend with each other. So now they do romance in the kitchen too. So
Correct.
everything has got plus and minus, yeah?
Correct. Correct.
So there are these couples who, like, shorten the time in the kitchen so that they can spend more time while watching movies on the sofa, on the couch, as well as the husband working on few hours and then spending nice time with each other. And that's also wonderful.
Correct. There is one more side to this entire lockdown is
Huh?
people have to, there are no मेड्स कमिंग इन. सो घर का भी काम करना है और ऑफिस का भी काम करना है ऑनलाइन 12-12 घंटे. और
Yeah.
तो ये वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस में पूरी हालत खराब हो चुकी है लोगों की. लोगों को लगता है घर पे है पर फिर भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है, या फिर जो टाइम मिलता है आधा टाइम वो घर के काम में चले जाता है. सो आर देयर एनी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स ऑन दिस आल्सो ऑफ हाउ टू हैव वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस?
Yeah. When you are living with a couple, or even when you're alone, you need to tell them that, see, being in the house, I need to maintain my hours. I cannot spend the whole day. 12 hours, who's asking you? Are they paying you for 12 hours? No, your priority is yourself first. If you are not going to take care of yourself, you will get burnt out, because too much of work is again anxiety going to a different level where you absolutely get burnt out and your immunity will drop like anything. That's also a problem. So you are not going to work like this. No, you're going to work just as you were working before. That is 9 to 4, whatever your timings are, you give that time. In between lunch के hours में 1 घंटा आपने शायद lunch वंच कर लिया, बर्तन रख दिए, ठीक है. बाद में as soon as you get over, आप बर्तन भी कर लो. But then there are two sides towards this. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं पर काम नहीं करते हैं, वो पूरा दिन टाइम पास करते हैं, प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं, तो ऑफिस का काम भी रह जाता है. So then there are both sides of people. So we don't need to do that. Especially I've heard there were these housewife, 1 or 2 housewife who had called me कि घर पे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं, ना किचन में हेल्प करते हैं, ना ऑफिस का काम करते हैं, टीवी ही देखते हैं. मैं तो ऑफिस का भी काम करती हूँ, किचन का भी करती हूँ. So we need to tell our husbands, hello, knock knock, let's work together. क्योंकि अभी बाई नहीं है. Before there used to be a maid who used to take my work off. Now we need to work together. You can't just keep on doing that. We women especially have this habit of not keeping ourselves in equality with our husbands. We always try to put them at an altar. And हाँ उनको मत कर ले तो मैं कर लेती हूँ उनको. Why? We all are equal. उन्होंने भी अगर झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन कपड़े कुछ भी किया तो that's not a problem. It doesn't mean that he's low and you are high. We all are equal whether you do work or don't do work. So I request all the males, all the gentlemen, are you gentle? So if you are a man, you have to be gentle. You have to give equality. You have to respect your wife. You have to have, share the work. It's romance in the kitchen also. It's romance while doing the mopping also. It's fun. It's fun. Let's enjoy these work. And then together, let's watch the TV also.
Correct.
And the women, I also want to tell you all, don't become so emotional also at an extreme. Talk it out with your husbands. Share what you feel about it. Seek their help. Tell them that you want them help. There shouldn't be an ego in any relationship.
मैम एंड विद दिस एंटायर लॉकडाउन हमको रियलाइज हो गया रहेगा कि बहुत कम चीजें लगती है हमको जिंदगी जीने के लिए.
पर हम करते क्या है?
We complicate our own lives by having more demands and by having more wants.
Oh my God, Asmita, you asked me. I was going to a shop before the lockdown and I saw people hoarding like, oh my goodness. I've got people who said, I've hoarded all my house, my bedroom and everything. I said, but why? That is again a panic. That is again anxiety working. नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा तो अरे कुछ भी नहीं. 2 रोटी खा रहे हैं ज्यादा से अगर अगर that is not going to happen in India, but अगर वो क्या है यूएस का और ये सब के वीडियोस आते हैं ना, उनको देख के these people get अरे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. हर मॉल में, हर दुकान में, हर जगह government has seen to it that essential goods are available. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Correct.
They expect us is to take some responsibility of not going out and mixing physically with people. It's not that you cannot call per person and emotionally connect. It's about physical connection where the germs can go, the virus can transfer.
Correct.
उतना तो हम कर सकते हैं यार. So please don't hoard. Try to be as minimal, as simple as possible. जितने कम चीज हो आपके घर में, जितनी कम हो, जो है पहले उसको खत्म करो. जो नहीं पहनते हैं, जो नहीं यूज करते हैं, चीज निकालते रहो घर से. जितना आप क्लटर निकालोगे घर से, उतना आपका मन भी साफ रहेगा, आपका इमोशंस भी बहुत हेल्दी रहेंगे, आपके वातावरण में भी बहुत फर्क पड़ेगा.
Correct. Correct. So in a way, this lockdown has taught us to have minimalistic attitude, how to live a minimalistic life. Great.
Yes, yes.
So
And I
there,
would
yeah.
sorry, and I would say that अगर मैं दिन के 4 रोटी खाती हूँ, let me make it 2. Literally minimal वो भी करते जाओ. I'm not saying be hungry and starve because there's no food, but that's more healthy. Eat more vegetables and fruits and lower the grains.
Correct.
Minimalistic is something very, very good. जितना कम हो, जितना show off कम हो, जितनी like there are 2 types of people I feel. I may be wrong, but this is my personal thing, that there are one who are just commercial, who likes to show off, who likes to wear good things, new things every day, go and buy. Stop it. Just be content. The feeling of contentment, if you develop in yourself, you will not need to go out and buy. Just utilize whatever you have in your house. Start giving it to people that you don't use. Give it out. This helps you. जितना कहते हैं कि आपके cupboards या सब चीज organized हो, this is a very good time to organize your stuff. Your cupboards, मालिए, ऊपर मालिए खाली करो, सब कचरा बाहर निकालो. Declutter is a very good thing. It gives you a very good vibe in the house, in yourself, content in yourself. It maintains cleanliness. It's like
Correct.
hoarding things here and hoarding things in the cupboard. Same.
And
You don't
holding
want to let go.
feelings.
Yeah, you don't like to let go. You don't like to let
Correct.
go. Just
Correct.
let go. इतना हल्का महसूस करोगे आप, इतना हल्का महसूस करोगे. It's amazing. Just let go. इसने ऐसा कर दिया, उसने let go. We need to let go because we don't want to get attached to such materialistic things. People get attached to materials. What is very good about even emotions? We don't need to get attached even to emotions. It's a support. Material things are supporting us when we are living. Emotionally, also, we need support to survive, which is healthy. Getting attached to any of these things is ruining you forever.
Correct.
Yes, one is accept, the other is love. Love yourself first, then the others. Have compassion for self and others. Forgive yourself for whatever you may have done to others, unknowingly, knowingly. Forgive others for whatever they have done to you. This is the time when you go inside and you do all these things. Be content with your life
Correct.
and calm down. This is the best time. I think the universe is giving us this time to heal. The whole earth is healing. The trees are now growing. The pollution is disappeared. The water is becoming more clean. There are dolphins swimming around. The animals feel like more. The noise pollution has gone down. The animals are venturing out. This is the
Correct.
most important time to heal yourself also, because we are also made up of earth. Start healing yourself by doing all these things. So emotionally, mentally, and physically, you will be very healthy and grow your immunity by eating more healthy stuff.
So thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Asmita. Yeah.
Thank you. And I would urge all the viewers that stay safe, adapt the new normal lifestyle, increase your immunity as much as possible. And if you haven't seen our previous three videos, do have a look at it. Our first video was where Deepti Dange was mentioning about how she went through the entire COVID-19 testing procedure and how she tested negative, what exactly happens in the procedure. Then we had a Dr. Prasad Padwar talking about what exactly is happening at the back end, and he is sharing his experience of working closely with COVID-19 patients. And our
Hats off to
third
them.
video was where Dr. Abhijit Padnis is sharing his experience as an economist as what exactly is happening in the economic situation and how can we get over it as soon as possible. Do have a look at it also. Thank you so much.